Hey freelancers, need quick app prototypes for clients? AiToolslink's got 7 AI tools to win gigs. Stick around if you're looking to impress clients, speed up your workflow, and take your app prototyping to the next level. These tools will give you a competitive edge you can't afford to miss. Let's dive right in. Tool 1. Figma with AI plugins. First up, we've got Figma with AI plugins. This tool is a game changer for creating app mockups on the fly. You've probably heard of Figma, but with AI plugins, you can now automate design tasks, like generating layout suggestions and tweaking design elements with a simple prompt. Feature: AI-driven design suggestions. Benefit: you'll deliver polished designs faster, impressing clients with your speed and precision. This means more contracts and repeat business. Clients will think you're some kind of design wizard. Don't skip Tool 2, though. We're just getting started. Tool 2, ProtoPie. Tool 2 is ProtoPie. If you want to prototype apps with interactive features without writing code, ProtoPie is your best friend. It allows you to create realistic app prototypes with animations, transitions, and gestures, all using a no-code interface. Feature: no-code interactive prototyping. Benefit: show clients a working interactive prototype in no time. You'll look like an app-building genius while speeding up your workflow and pushing projects forward fast. This is a must-have if you want to land those last-minute pitches. Tool 3, Uizard. Next, we've got Uizard. This tool uses AI to turn sketches and wireframes into fully functional prototypes instantly. Simply upload your ideas, and Uizard's AI translates them into real app interfaces. Feature: AI-powered design conversion from sketches. Benefit: no more spending hours refining your designs manually. Uizard helps you create professional prototypes in record time, so you can pitch ideas to clients faster, close deals quicker, and keep the momentum rolling. Tool 4, Framer. Tool 4 is fire. Meet Framer. This AI-driven design tool lets you create high-quality prototypes with intuitive drag-and-drop features. What makes Framer unique is its AI, which can automatically adjust the layout of your designs for different screen sizes, ensuring responsiveness across devices. Feature: AI-powered responsive layouts. Benefit: your designs will look great on any device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop. Clients love responsiveness, and you'll save tons of time adjusting layouts manually. More time to pitch more clients, more contracts. Tool 5, mockplus. Tool 5 is mockplus. This one is perfect if you're trying to create prototypes that are a little more polished and sophisticated. With AI tools integrated, mockplus allows you to quickly build complex prototypes, complete with dynamic interactions and realistic user experiences. Feature: AI-assisted complex prototyping. Benefit: by streamlining the process of designing sophisticated prototypes, you're able to present a more professional, high-quality product faster than ever before. The result? Clients impressed with your efficiency, leading to bigger and better projects. Tool 6, balsamiq. Balsamiq is next on the list. It's great for rapid wireframing, allowing you to sketch out app concepts quickly. What's more, with AI, balsamiq helps automatically align and adjust elements in your wireframes, creating a more structured design from the get-go. Feature: AI-assisted wireframing and layout organization. Benefit: create cleaner wireframes in less time. You'll be able to pitch concepts faster, impressing clients who need prototypes quickly. That's key to winning those freelance gigs and landing long-term clients. Tool 7, Sketch with Magic. Last but not least, Sketch with Magic is a powerful AI tool for streamlining your design and prototyping process. It uses machine learning to predict design patterns and generate high-quality layouts automatically. This means you can focus on refining the details while the AI handles the bulk work. Feature: AI-enhanced design layout prediction. Benefit: skip the repetitive design tasks, speeding up your workflow. When clients see the magic of Sketch at work, they'll be blown away, and you'll be the freelancer they turn to for all future app projects. Thanks for watching AiToolslink. Subscribe for more. With these 7 AI tools, you'll be building faster, impressing clients, and landing gigs quicker than ever. Comment your pitch stories below and let us know which tool you're excited to try. Don't forget to like and share the video with your fellow freelancers. Catch you in the next one.